restoration of our 1969 BSA Starfire. As you can see, we have already fitted our front forks. In our last episode we had them fully stripped down, and as you can see they're now in place. We have fitted new oil seals and new bushes, checked everything out for alignment, etc., and fitted new fork gaiters here and put the whole assembly in for the steering. So our next job will be to obviously align our handlebars here and fit all the controls, our clutch, our brake, etc., etc. That will be in our next video. Moving on down, we've also fitted the centre stand. On this bike originally when it came there was a few issues with our centre stand, but we have got all that sorted out, and now everything works perfectly here. So our next job will be, moving on down, will be to make the bike mobile, and that means fitting the front and back wheels. As you can see here, we have them both rebuilt. Brand new rims and brand new spokes, and anything that needed replated has been replated. As you can see, it's all nice and bright and shiny now. And so these both will be ready to fit, and I say you can join us the next time to see these on. And also we will be also putting the engine in and going from there. So remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.